Hi guys, it's your girl Diana and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, karibu. Make sure to subscribe so that you get notifications every time I post a new video. So it's currently around 12. I'm going to town. I'm going to work. But also, I was thinking of getting, some kidogo baby girl treatment. Like, I am hoping to get my nails done today. The weather is quite chilly, that's why I have on this scarf that imeisha kuisha. Yeah. I'm hoping to get my nails done, and if I do, I'll take you guys along with me. If I don't, then too bad, siku nyingine. Yeah, my hair is in this low pony. Is it sleek? It's not really sleek. Just laid my edges, done my brows, a little lip gloss, and that's it. And I think I look cute. I wish I could show you my whole feet. Yeah. I'm in my kitchen because I want to prepare chapatis before I leave. That way, when I come back in the evening, I'll have something already prepared. Though I am not a good chapati maker, so I want to be showing you the process. Maybe I'll show you the aftermath, yeah, the final result. But the process and everything, I'm not a pro, and I'm still a learner, so don't expect any tutorial of me making chapos. Yeah, so ndo mimi hapo I am kneading my dough. Is it dough or dough? I'm kneading my dough, whatever. I'm kneading my dough, and then I let it rest for a while before I started rolling it into the round shape and frying it on the pan. Yeah, so I'm really sorry, nilisahau kuonyesha like how it looked, but it zilitokea poa sana. Hey, I was even impressed with myself. Shout out to Duv for teaching me how to make chapati. If you don't know Duv, go back to I think my first or second vlog in this channel. Yeah, you'll see Duv. She's the one who taught me how to make chapatis, and as much as I've changed some 1, 2, 3 things here and there, the basics, the foundation is all hers. Yup. So your girl finished preparing the chapatis na nika get ready to go for work. So this is me on the matatu heading to work. I was quite late though. Yeah, so your girl is still mastering this art of vlogging. I pick up my camera, or rather phone, start vlogging, and then somewhere along the way I forget I was vlogging, and before I know it, the day is over. So mniwie radhi, I'm still learning, and hopefully with each vlog I get better. Sawa? Good. Yeah, so I headed to work. For those asking, we are at Dynamic Mall, shop ML79 on first floor, which is along Mboya Streets, opposite Club Eureka. If you know Club Eureka, yeah, that's where we are at. We deal with phones, laptops, and accessories. Phone accessories, laptop accessories. And that's my lunch. I'm trying to avoid eating too much, so I just had the one potato and some kachumbari, and I was okay. So this is later in the day. I was heading home. As I said, nilisahau ku vlog how the day was, but also kulikuwa na a lot of clients, so I didn't feel comfortable putting up my phone recording them. Ingekuwa weird. Harry, say hi. Say bye-bye. Bye. Say bye-bye. Bye. Hold me well, mama. Or you fall down. I really had a lot planned today. I was thinking of maybe taking my daughter out for lunch, but the weather was so bad, so bad, and I was like, nope, in this cold with a kid, a toddler, I ain't doing it, sis. So yeah, we just chilled in the house. We went got some chips me too, because alikata kukula food yenye kwa nyumba. Yeah, now she's sleeping. I've just finished watching a movie. It's called The Red Beast. Yeah. So sahi I'm just chilling and yeah, just tulia tu. You know, Sundays inakuanga siku za kurest cause wiki inakuanga so busy. Otherwise, how you all doing? How you all feeling? Yeah, I think I'll close this vlog here. Bye.